Hello, Professor Sodhi. My name is Gloria Jimenez, and I'm a graduate student enrolled in your course ABA626 Functional Behavior Assessment. And during this video, I will share my progress with the SAFMEDS component from week 1 until week 7. To start off, in week 1, I encountered challenges with the SAFMEDS unit, especially on day 1 running the first timing because I was not required to study the acquisition cards in order to document an accurate baseline. Similar difficulties also occurred with Deck 2 and Deck 3 acquisition on the first day of week 3 and week 6. And truthfully, it was discouraging to acknowledge that my baseline for acquisitions 1, 2, and 3 were far below the course's AIM expectation. And it led me to believe that I was not knowledgeable with the material derived from the functional behavior assessment curriculum. Nevertheless, my shortcomings motivated me to change my outlook with the results and implement procedures that demonstrated a positive difference in the SAFMEDS outcome. One of my interventions involved increasing my study time to 5-minute increments at least every other week, contingent on the last ACEL data point shown each Friday. My studying behaviors involved reviewing the acquisition cards for 5 to 10 minutes, depending which week or acquisition pile I worked on, shuffling the cards, setting a timer for 30 seconds, playing the timer, viewing the front of the card, and saying the back of the card aloud. Both the ACEL and DCEL cards are placed in separate piles, and 2 to 4 additional 30-second timings were fulfilled for either the acquisition or the fluency deck. Referring to Deck 3 acquisition, on August 8th, 2022, I scored a 2 for the acquisition ACEL, and the DCEL was 30 due to not studying for the baseline requirement. Within those 2 weeks, I increased the studying time to 10 minutes total, reviewed the cards during daylight hours between 1 in the afternoon until 7 in the evening, and practiced the deck in various environments such as a staff lounge during my lunch break, inside my room, or at a cafe shop. On August 19th, the last ACEL data point was 20 and 12 DCEL, which indicated a high acquisition response level, no variability, and an increasing trend. The modifications seemingly contributed to my performance in the SAFMEDS unit and empowered me to meet the course's aim and Professor Sodhi's aim, which required an acquisition ACEL of 17 correct responses. Fortunately, I have met the objectives of the Functional Behavior Assessment course because I demonstrate that I can independently implement effective adjustments that contribute to proficient results. Thank you.